Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Richelieu, Quebec is a charming town located along the Richelieu River, about 40 kilometers southeast of Montreal. Richelieu has a rich history that dates back to the early days of European settlement. Its name comes from Cardinal Richelieu, an influential figure in France during the 17th century. The Richelieu River itself was historically known as the Iroquois River, and was a vital waterway for indigenous peoples, and later for European settlers. It served as a trade route, a means of transportation, and even a strategic military path during conflicts like the French and Indian War, and the American Revolution. The town of Richelieu officially became a municipality in the 19th century, growing alongside the development of the Chambly Canal. The canal, completed in 1843, bypassed the Richelieu River's rapids, making it easier for goods to be transported between the St. Lawrence River and Lake Champlain. This boosted local trade, and allowed Richelieu to thrive as part of the larger Montargis region. Richelieu is surrounded by beautiful landscapes. The Richelieu River flows gently through the area, and its banks are perfect for walking, boating, and fishing. The fertile lands around the river make this region ideal for agriculture, and you'll often see fields of crops and orchards nearby. Today, Richelieu is a peaceful town known for its picturesque scenery and friendly community. It's a great spot for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for kayaking and cycling along the river. The Chambly Canal National Historic Site is also close by, offering a glimpse into the engineering marvels of the 19th century. So, whether you're here for the history, the nature, or just a quiet escape, Richelieu has something special to offer.